Make we dance the junk on the dance. Make we sing the junk on the song. In this modern technological advance, never forget the days of life. When Jacko would run to the tailor and say, "Fix me up, Master Joe, tonight I going out as the sailor." John Tom's theme costume is our said. Here face the Jane. That more look like a mule, you sure you're not crossbred? This was a time long before comedians on the telly, when Bernice made us laugh just like a pregnant woman with big belly. Nowadays police tax some Prada to Lada, but the policeman in Jankono was just there to restore order. A time when my skill in quadrille used to get girls, and I don't mean the twins, Tin and Jim, who used to dress like set girls. I going down to the slaughterhouse, I heard Scout said. The butcher promised me 2 hands, me need piece of calico and half a coconut shell. Then I can be cowed. Damn baby mother cussing. Damn, you is a big man. Why you and Rufus still dressing up like cowboy and Indian? Jack in the Green was asked to explain to her that Jankun is a part of our tradition. And him hold it next to him heart with him 3 R's: rum, Rachel and religion. Same time a little boy run past with a whole rice bag looking really happy, cause him father was allowing him to help in the decoration of Pitchy Patchy. Make we dance the Jankono dance. Make we sing the Jankono song. In this modern technological advance, never forget the days of long. Make we dance the Jankono dance. Make we sing the Jankono song. In this modern technological advance, 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 never forget the